From the Scripps Studios, this is 10 News.
It's actually been very difficult to get the proper PPE.
As dental offices start to reopen for non-emergency procedures, there are still concerns about how to protect staff and patients. 10 News reporter Melissa Masiha shows us the big changes being made as San Diegans return to the dental chair.
I am a registered dental hygienist.
Lynn Nakamura is back to work in San Diego, but there are two worries in the industry right now: aerosols during procedures and PPE, with some of the equipment typically used.
It can splatter and hang out in the air. So the worry is that if it's still around and we're wearing a gown, it may transfer to the next patient.
Lynn said there have been changes, including wearing disposable gowns. There have also been changes with equipment. They're not using certain tools like the polish and the Cavitron, ultimately the stuff that can produce particles in the air. Do you feel safe right now being open and working?
I do feel safe. Dentistry, we have been using the PPE, except now it's just at a little bit of a higher level with the N95 mask.
But that safety might not last long. Her office already had a couple boxes of N95s, about 60 masks total. They got 5 more from the Dental Association, as well as some surgical face masks, but trying to get more.
None of our supply companies have any stock.
The guidelines from the California Department of Public Health recommends 2-week supply of PPE. With what Lynn's office has now, and if they see multiple patients a day, their current supply may only last a few days. I spoke with the president of the California Dental Association late April, who said if N95s aren't available,
we'll use what's called a level 3 mask and a face shield.
We're not in the front line where we're fighting COVID positive patients, but we are trying to keep other patients healthy.
Melissa Masiha, 10 News.
The office where she works is also taking patients' temperatures. Many patients will also likely be asked questions about their health before making an appointment.